10 best faceless YouTube niches that will make you a lot of money today. So you want to start a YouTube channel, but you don't want to show your face. Maybe because of the nature of your work, you're not allowed to do other things outside your work, or you are just a shy person, you don't like the idea of showing your face, or for whatever reason, you still want to grow a YouTube channel and make a lot of money for yourself. Well, I got it covered in this video, because in this video, we're going to have a countdown of 10 profitable YouTube niches that are doing well right now. You can do absolutely faceless, which means you can create these channels, grow and get monetized, make money every single month without people knowing that you are the brain behind these channels. Not only will I tell you profitable niches, I will explain why they are considered profitable niches. For everyone I mentioned, I'm going to show you example of a channel that's already doing so well in that niche. If you wait to the end, I am going to show you exactly how to make faceless videos. I'm going to show you all the tools and gadgets you need to start creating faceless videos today. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel we talk all things money and how to grow a YouTube channel. So if this is the kind of thing you want to learn, go on and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it, so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. First, why are these niches considered best niches? There are 3 reasons. The first one is CPM, which is cost per milli, how much advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 views these videos get. These 10 niches I'm about to share with you, when you get monetized, you are bound to make a lot of money. If one of your reasons for being on this platform is to make money, you want to go for niches that pay you reasonable amount of money. For example, there are niches when you get 1,000 views, you get paid less than $1. And then there are other niches when you get 1,000 views, you earn up to $20 to $40. Same 1,000 views, different amount of money. So these 10 niches I'm about to share with you are high CPM, which means you get a lot of money from advertisers once you get monetized. The second reason why they are considered best faceless niches is ability to make more money from your channel beyond what the advert pays. So these 10 niches have alternative ways of making money beyond the ad revenue YouTube will pay you. For example, you can make money selling your products and services, you earn money from brand deals, you earn money from affiliate marketing, and a whole lot of them. The third reason why they are considered best faceless niches is consistent viral content. So over a period of time, these videos have been getting thousands and millions of views consistently. That is to show that there's a demand for these videos. So that said, let's talk about these 10 profitable faceless YouTube niches. Number 10 on my list is weight loss. This is one of my favorite topics when it comes to binge watching videos on this platform. At the age of 30, everyone becomes health conscious, and we want to learn things that will help us lose weight, to learn how to shed those excess fat. We want to learn how to live a healthy life, and that's where weight loss videos come in. Well, a lot of people are making these videos without showing their faces. They are getting millions of views on these videos. Weight loss is one niche that earns a lot of money, between $15 to $20 per 1,000 views. So here is an example of a channel that does just that. This channel has 6.3 million views. And if you look at this, you see their videos are getting 62 million views, 41 million, 33 million. And all their videos, none of them shows human face. But this is a clear indication that this niche is a very profitable one and it's something you can do. One way to do this would be to use the animated videos they use here, or you simply use stock image videos, which is muscle building niche. Every young man out there wants to have six-pack, and that's why these videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views and even millions of views. There's a high demand for this. Even if you don't have six-pack, you can actually make money showing us those videos. Beyond this profitability in terms of getting ads revenue, there are so many other ways to make money. Here is a channel that does just that. It's called Workout. And if you look at this, these guys have gotten 8.2 million subscribers with only 1,300 videos, and none of these videos shows anybody's face. You can see here, this is actually something you can do. You can either use the kind of image they use here in their videos, or you simply use stock image photos. Like I said, if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you where to get these images and video clips. Coming 8 on our list is natural remedies. So say you don't want to dive into workout and muscle building, you can still talk from the natural remedy aspect. So this is about sharing helpful tips on natural ways to cure sickness or healthy lifestyle. This is yet another profitable niche because it has high CPM. Plus, there are many more ways you can make money other than the AdSense. So you can actually monetize this channel even before YouTube starts paying you for AdSense. Here's one channel doing amazing job in this niche. It's called Natural Cures. If you look at some of their videos here, you see that the videos are getting millions of views. and none of their videos shows anybody's face. And this is something you can do. Yes, you can do this. You just need to head over to some of the website I'm going to mention at the end of this video. Get those pictures and video clips with a voiceover or just text as it's seen here. The video is ready. Imagine getting just 1 million views on these videos, how much you'll be able to earn from this. Coming seventh on our list is travel and tour. This is actually an interesting niche that a lot of people love so much. So after the COVID, when traveling was lifted, this niche became a sensation. Everybody wants to travel. So we are looking forward to learning which is the next destination to go and all of that. Guess what? Most of these videos you see out there are collection of stock images and video clips. Owners of these channels never travel to those destinations. They simply do little research, gather the information they need with stock images and video clips. They were able to come up with such amazing videos. So here's one of the channels that is doing amazing work in this niche. It's called Top Travel. And if you look at some of their best performing videos, you see the videos getting millions of views. I kid you not. The owners of these channels never travel to all these destinations. Just a simple research, a collection of pictures and video clips, the video is ready, and these guys are making a lot of money. Here is another channel that does it in a way that I love. This man puts almost zero effort in creating these videos. The channel is called Tourist Car. What he does is just drive around with camera mounted. He captures everything, add a soft music to the video. The video is ready, and a lot of us are loving it. So if you live in a beautiful city, why not? Just to drive around town, show us around. Coming sixth on our list is investing, and this niche has one of the highest CPMs. The reason being that every adult out there understands the importance of investing. We want to get to a stage our money starts making money for us. So any video telling us about getting your money to work for you, we are just interested in it. And a lot of people are watching these videos, as you can see here. Let's go on and look at some of the channels that are doing it without showing their faces. Here's one of the channels that I absolutely love. It's called Chris Invests. He does his videos with animation. He's been able to get up to 149,000 subscribers with only 277 videos. Guys, that's to show you that this topic is something a lot of people are interested in. If you look at some of his best performing videos, you see 1.5 million views, 1 million views, and none of these videos shows his face. He's simply using whiteboard animation, and this is something you can do. With such videos, you not only make a lot of money from Google AdSense, you also be able to make money from selling your product, whether it's digital product, physical product, or even services. The fifth on our list is something I love and I've actually had experience on, which is making money online. And I kid you not, this niche is high CPM niche. Topics like this generate a lot of revenues in advert, and the reason is because a lot of advertisers are open to paying reasonable amount of money to place their advert on such videos. So here is a channel that is doing exactly this without showing anybody's face on the videos. It's called Cash Pro. If you scroll down here, you see some of their videos, 2.2 million views, 1.4 million views. So if you look at this is simply a screen recorded video. This is something you can actually do with a screen recorder, whether you're working with your smartphone or your computer. The fourth on our list is tech reviews. This niche is actually on fire, and because we live in a tech time, so all tech companies out there are willing to pay to get their advert on such videos, because when you put tech related advert on tech related videos, you are sure that people that are watching those adverts are just your target audience, and that's why this tech is actually a very high CPM niche. It's actually one of the highest ranked CPM niche in this industry. This niche is called tech review, which is basically reviewing tech-related gadgets. Here's a channel that does that with over 1.3 million views, Breath in Tech. So if you look at this is 8.1 million views, and these videos are just talking about top 10 best free websites to watch movies online. My goodness, this is definitely something you can do. It's more like a listicle. Go on and do a quick research, gather the list of things to be done, put them together with a voiceover, and then a stock image or even video clips. The video is ready. Wait to the end because I'm going to show you exactly how this is done. Coming third on our list is tech tutorial. It's actually a high CPM. Tech tutorial is basically tutoring people, educating people, sharing knowledge on how things are done. Just show us tech gadgets and then go on to explain how it is used, and you're there. You're already making money doing just that. So here is one channel that does exactly that without showing faces. If you look at this, he's simply educating us on how to use this. Let's look at some of their popular videos. You have 25 million views. And we are gradually winding up. Number 2 on our list is luxury. And this is a high CPM niche. Oh, as the name suggests, it's actually luxury, which means people that watch these videos are people that have some money to spend. So when advertisers advertise on these videos, they are sure to get high target audience, see their advert. And not only that, owners of these channels make a lot of money from selling properties, closing deals, and a whole lot. So it's actually a high CPM niche. Here is an example of a channel that does just that. This is actually a collection of stock images and video clips. If you look at this, that's exactly what you're going to see here, okay? And that's beautiful. Look at the videos here. They are getting 5 million views. And the most profitable niche, the one that makes it number one on our list, is AI niche. You guessed right. AI is on the lips of everyone. In fact, we live and breathe AI. So it makes sense that this niche is actually one of the most profitable, with a very high CPM of $20 to $40 per 1,000 views. So these companies are willing to pay a lot of money to get their adverts on the faces of those who are watching those AI related videos. I'm going to show you two channels that are doing amazing well in this niche. One of them is doing 3D animation and the other one basically does AI related content. So if AI is something you are good at, you have knowledge, you have skills and experience, or something you would love to venture into, this is definitely something you want to check out. One amazing thing about this niche is that not only do you have high CPM, you also get a lot of brand deals because companies are springing up on a daily basis and they are all AI centered. So let's look at two channels that are doing amazing things on this niche. The first channel on our list is Zach the Films. He is exploring the short form content and he is doing amazing well. Look at this, 17 million subscribers. And if you look at the videos he has here, these videos are getting millions of views. So it goes to show that this niche is doing so well. Making animated videos like this may not be so easy. That means you will actually need to have the skill of creating animations yourself. You can as well decide to outsource it, get creators to do this for you. It's going to cost you money, but it's going to save you time too. So if it's something you love to do, it makes sense that you jump on it as early as possible because there's a lot of money to be made in this niche. Here is the second AI channel that is doing amazingly well. He has over 181,000 subscribers with only 97 videos. He's basically using animated images to pass a message. Finally, how do you make these faceless videos? The first is to settle for a niche. So you need to go for something you are passionate about, something you are good at, something you can actually create content on consistently for a long time, because YouTube is a long-term journey. Now, once you pick a niche, the next thing is to come up with video ideas. Best way to do that would be to go out there and see what other successful YouTubers are doing in your niche. Then you'll be able to draw inspiration from them, get an idea on what works and what doesn't work. This way, you'll be able to come up with a lot of video ideas you can make for yourself. Once you're done with the idea, the next thing is to generate the script. Okay, you can do that by just writing it yourself. You can as well draw inspiration from AI. Use AI to generate those ideas and then go on to refine it. Once the script is ready, the next is to convert the script to an audio, and then you go on to get images and video clips with which to make this video. If you are doing AI animation, for example, you have to generate the animated videos, or you simply use stock images. These are websites where you're going to get those stock images that you're going to use in your videos. When you are done, you have to edit the video. Some of the apps to use in your editing: CapCut, OpenShot, Shortcut, and iMovie if you are using a Mac. Once you are done with editing, video is ready and you are ready to start making money. You can do all this by yourself or outsource it, get somebody to do it, and then you pay them for each and every of these steps done for you. Then design your thumbnail, publish the video, and start growing your channel. I hope this helps. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to share it with your family and friends. I would really appreciate that. Here is another video you want to watch after now because you are going to learn a lot as a small YouTuber.